At number 5. Typing with one keyboard for your computer and mobile devices. Just type, switch and go. Long battery life of 24 months from 2 pre-installed AAA batteries and easy, reliable wireless connections via Logitech unifying USB receiver or Bluetooth smart technology. Carefully holds a variety of devices from smartphones to 12-inch iPad Pro at a comfortable reading angle and within reach. Silent, smooth and familiar typing with Logitech Perfect Stroke key system. Solid build with large, carefully crafted, concave keys, a convenient numbers pad, and all your favorite shortcut keys. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Android and iOS, iPhone and iPad, this universal keyboard recognizes the type of device that's connected so that all the keys are exactly where you expect them to be. Experience high-end wireless audio at your desk with easy switching between favorite devices like your computer, smartphone and tablet. Multi-device wireless mouse with Flow Cross Computer control and file sharing for PC and Mac, easy switch up to 3 devices. The K780 multi-device is a fully equipped, beautifully finished computer keyboard that also works perfectly with smartphones and tablets. Enjoy quiet, comfortable typing, switching easily between 3 devices you enter text on. Works with PC, Mac, Android, Chrome OS and iOS. USB equipped or Bluetooth smart ready device that supports an external keyboard, HID profile, system requirements, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or later, Android 5.0 or later, Mac OS X 10.10 or later, iOS 5 or later, Chrome OS. USB connection, available USB port required. Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth smart ready device with keyboard support required, HID profile. At number 4. With a backlighting flourish when it turns on. The keys light up the moment your hands approach and automatically adjust brightness to suit changing lighting conditions. Add a Logitech Flow Control mouse to create a central workstation for multiple computers. Seamlessly mouse and type across screens in one fluid workflow. Requires pairing with Flow technology mouse. Craft reliably connects wirelessly to your devices via the included Logitech unifying receiver or Bluetooth low energy technology. Never break your Flow for battery issues. Craft stays powered for an entire week on a full charge. The USB-C cable makes charging easy. Battery life varies based on crown and or backlighting used. Pair Craft with up to 3 devices, Windows or Mac, and easily switch between them at the touch of a button. Add a Logitech Flow mouse to seamlessly navigate and type across multiple computer screens. Increased key stability reduces noise and optimizes responsiveness. Logitech's unique spherical key dishing ensures every keystroke is fluid, natural and accurate so you never miss a key, or a beat. Type with confidence on a keyboard crafted for efficiency, stability and precision. Backlit keys light up the moment your hands approach, and automatically adjust to suit changing lighting conditions. The creative input dial revolutionizes the way you work by giving you instant access to the tool you need, the moment you need it. Touch the dial to instantly access a menu of functions, tap to change function, and turn to change the selected function's value. The intuitive dial adapts to the app you're using, keeping you in your flow and completely focused on your work. Connectivity technology, Logitech unifying 2.4 GHz wireless technology, vertical bar Bluetooth low energy technology. Software support, Logitech options on Mac OS 10.11 and above and Windows 7 and above. System requirements, internet connection for software download, vertical bar U.S.B. Connection : vertical bar available, USB port required, vertical bar Bluetooth connection : vertical bar Bluetooth low energy technology ready device with keyboard support required, Bluetooth HID, vertical bar Logitech options on Windows 7 and above, Mac OS 10.11 and above. At number 3. Elite RGB is a full-featured RGB keyboard that has as much stunning style as it has substance. Customize your keyboard or individual keys with RGB lighting, which is simply set up using the HyperX Ingenuity software. The solid steel frame helps ensure you'll have sturdy, stable controls in the midst of the most frantic action, while the game mode, N-key rollover, and anti-ghosting functions keep all your key presses on point. The Alloy Elite RGB comes built to satisfy any user's needs with dedicated media buttons, a USB 2.0 pass-through, quick access buttons, and your choice from a variety of reliable Cherry MX key switches. Once you've customized your lighting and effects just the way you want them, save your setup directly to the keyboard's onboard memory. Alloy Elite RGB also features a comfortable, detachable wrist rest, and optional HyperX textured, titanium-colored keycaps designed to help you find the most important keys faster when every millisecond matters. Stake your claim atop the scoreboard of style. Scoreboard of style. Maximize connectivity and minimize cable clutter. Convenient control of your media and lighting is at your fingertips. Available with Cherry MX RGB Blue, RGB Brown, or RGB Red key switches, so you'll get reliability and the switches that fit your needs. Built to stand the test of time and to stand fast when the action heats up. Customize game mode, build macros, and set up per key lighting. Unique radiant light bar and dynamic RGB lighting effects. HyperX Ingenuity software provides advanced customization. Store up to 3 favorite lighting and macro profile settings with the onboard memory. Solid steel frame provides durability and stability. Cherry MX mechanical keys for reliability. Comfortable, detachable wrist rest with soft touch coating. At number 2. Choice of eSport Pros. G513 features a super fast 1 millisecond report rate, Romer G tactile mechanical key switches for feedback you can feel, and next-gen LightSync RGB technology. Choose from 3 switches, Romer G tactile for direct feedback, Romer G linear for smooth keystrokes, or GX Blue for clicky feedback. G513 features Logitech G LightSync technology, next-gen RGB lighting driven by actions in over 300 top games. Customize colors and effects across LightSync gear for new gaming intensity. Choose preset lighting colors and effects or create your own. Use Logitech gaming software to easily set up per key lighting from a full spectrum of 16.8 brilliant colors. Romer G Tactile provides the confidence of a discernible tactile bump during actuation. Tactile actuation is minimal without being too loud or distracting. It's ideal for competitive and FPS gaming. Don't lose a game because you fat-fingered the Windows key. To deactivate it, simply toggle game mode with FN plus F8. Also store RGB key lighting profiles in the onboard memory for use on any system. Download Logitech gaming software to easily customize individual key color lighting, lighting effects, game profiles, macro commands and more. Press multiple keys simultaneously and get exactly what you intended with 26 key rollover. Performance-tuned anti-ghosting gives you reliable control when multiple commands are given simultaneously. 12 additional keycaps come with G513, so you can upgrade critical gaming keys to be as heroic as your gameplay. Swap them fast and easy with the included puller to remove your Romer G keycaps. Combine G513 with a Logitech G mouse and G560 speakers for a complete LightSync setup with synchronized RGB lighting driven by your favorite games. Broadcast your gameplay in full HD with integrated background replacement and stand out from the crowd. Play without wires or limits thanks to a revolution in wireless gaming performance and precision. Make your games more immersive than ever with powerful sound and LightSync RGB lighting driven by in-game explosions, approaching enemies and more. Take your game to a new level. 13. A high-performance RGB mechanical gaming keyboard that features advanced technologies and a modern and sleek design. Romer G linear mechanical key switches deliver super-fast 1 millisecond responsiveness from key press to screen, 25% faster than competitors' traditional mechanical switches. Tactile mechanical keyboard switches are engineered to give you direct feedback so you feel the actuation point in each key press. Customize full-spectrum RGB lighting for any or every key from 16.8 million brilliant colors. LightSync technology takes the lighting experience to a whole new level with game-driven lighting colors and effects. A USB pass-through port makes it easy to plug in your mouse, flash drive or phone for direct data transmission or charging. The aluminum alloy top case enables a blade-like chassis with a beautiful brushed metal finish, while the durable memory foam palm rest keeps your hands and wrists comfortable and in the perfect position to tap keys with lightning-fast accuracy. Use Logitech gaming software to easily program a full row of function keys to put lighting, volume, media control and more at your fingertips. At number 1. Introduces the new Razer Opto mechanical switch, utilizing optical technology for unmatched speed, and a key stabilizer bar so every key press is precise and accurate. The keyboard also features a programmable digital dial for quick access to functions. Evolved gaming switches with actuation at the speed of light. Combined with a new switch design, it's the first clicky switch that actuates and resets at the exact same point for rapid performance. The Razer Huntsman Elite, the #1 selling gaming keyboard in the US. Source: NPD Group Incorporated, January to May 2019. Introduces the new Razer Opto mechanical switch, utilizing optical technology for unmatched speed, and a key stabilizer bar so every key press is precise and accurate. Combined with a new switch design, it's the first click switch that actuates and resets at the exact same point for rapid performance. The keyboard also features a programmable digital dial for quick access to functions. Personalized settings with hybrid onboard memory and cloud storage. Comes with an ergonomic wrist rest for long-lasting comfort. The one best-selling gaming keyboard in the US. Source: The NPD Group Incorporated, US Retail Tracking Service. Keyboards. Mechanical keyboard, gaming designed, based on dollar sales, January-September 2019. Razer optical switches use light-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 30% shorter actuation distance than other clicky switches at 1.5 mm, with satisfying, clicky feedback. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma, fully syncs with popular games. Razer hardware, Philips Hue and Gear from 30+ partners, supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality: aluminum construction, covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Made of plush leatherette to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions, with built-in underglow lighting. Razer HyperShift allows for all keys and key press combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Supports up to 100 million clicks with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, double the lifespan of most competitor keyboards.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.